Hello, my name is Nur Admira binti Shamsubbari. Today I want to present about Wallacei, the phylogeny and biogeography of the parrot genus Prayoniturus. The parrot genus Prayoniturus occur in the oceanic Philippines, Palawan, Wallacei, a geologically dynamic region with a complex history of land and sea. Parrots are originated in Australasia and have colonized in the Indo-Malaya region several times independently after these two regions came into contact. The insular part of Southeast Asia is usually divided into three biogeographic zones of Sundalands. For example, Malay Peninsula, Borneo, Java, Sumatra and Palawan. The second one is Philippines and third one is Wallacei. All these three regions harbor an exceptional concentration of endemic species and are considered to be biodiversity hotspots. There are 11 parrot genera occur in Wallacei, 1 Cacatuidae, 5 Lorinae, 5 Psittacinae, which is 3 colonized in Sundaland and mainland Asia, and the other 6 are distributed in Philippines today, 1 Cacatuidae, 1 Lorinae, and 4 Psittacinae. Prayoniturus is more species-rich and consists of 8 to 9 different species. As simplified by English name record-tailed parrots, Prayoniturus is characterized by elongated central tail feathers formed by bare shafts widening to spatulate tips. The different taxa of Prayoniturus have been variously arranged in different groups of subgroups with various number of species being recognized. There are 3 species of Prayoniturus that are considered to be threatened, which is P. leuconensis, P. platinae, and P. verticalis, and another 3 are categorized as near to threatened, P. flavicans, P. montanus, and P. waterstreidi. The insular biota with many allopatric population, as in the case of Prayoniturus, have always presented a challenge for taxonomists, especially when applying a biologically species concept. As for that, the authors recommend treating Prayoniturus mindorensis as well as P. montanus and P. waterstreidi as separate species under phylogenetic species concept (PSC) and monophyletic species concept (MSC). The parrot has evolved in geologically dynamic region whose complex history of land and sea has created multiple opportunities for allopatric speciation. There are 5 major dispersal events explain the current distribution pattern of Prayoniturus, while the radiation of Prayoniturus on Sulawesi or Wallacei was found not to be monophyletic. The Philippine taxa were the result of the single colonization event followed by in situ speciation and subsequent dispersal to Sulawesi, Palawan, and the Sulu archipelago. The dispersal between two regions facilitated by island hopping over the Sangihe Talaud Islands, but report of faunal exchanges among the Philippines and Sulawesi are rare. Taxa occur in symmetry and belong to the 2 different major clades, for example, P. leuconensis or P. montanus and P. dioscurus or P. waterstreidi are probably ecologically separated by different habitats and or altitudinal zones. The several studies reveal that the phylogenetic patterns of some Philippine animal groups can at least partially be explained by temporarily fused islands owing to lower sea level during the Pleistocene. However, other studies have refuted a major role of Pleistocene geography in diversification patterns in the Philippines. This seems also to be the case in Bryoniturus, as the current distribution of taxa and clades do not correspond to Pleistocene island. Lastly, Palawan and Sulu archipelago play important role as colonization route into the oceanic Philippine and Sundaland. However, the importance of Palawan as a bridge between the Philippines and Borneo has probably been overestimated. Instead, Palawan, with the complex biogeographic history, can additionally be considered an extension of Sundaland as well as a component of the Philippines. I think that's all from me. Thank you.